Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware: PS5, TV, 2 controllers, and Minecraft Bedrock. Plug in or sync the second controller and sign into a separate PSN local profile. Once done, launch Minecraft and choose Play, then open a world or create one with multiplayer enabled. Make sure the world settings allow multiplayer and that you are in couch co-op mode. You do this now so both controllers can be recognized when joining. This prevents extra restarts later. With the world loaded, you adjust settings for stability, lower render distance, and disable fancy graphics if needed. Then confirm multiplayer game and local server multiplayer are turned on in world settings so second players can join locally. Once configured, hand the second controller to your friend and have them press Options or X to join. You'll see their name appear on screen. You should also check split screen orientation in display settings. Changing to horizontal can improve visibility, and finish by confirming both players are in the game and assign roles or inventories as needed. If the second player doesn't join, quit to the title screen, resync the controller, and sign into the correct local profile before re-entering the world. If you get a black screen or lag, lower resolution to 1080p and reduce render distance. That fixes most split-screen issues. Remember, restarting the console or updating Minecraft can resolve persistent connection or recognition problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.